I thank you all for helping out squash in a big way in our city. A big round of applause to Coolidge, Dunlop as well as Mr. Prakash. Can I invite someone from Coolidge, please? We thank Coolidge who keep Masters tournament this time around. They sponsor this. So we are really thankful to Coolidge for having come forward and sponsored our event and promoting squash. First, I would like to ask, what do you see as a benefit for Coolidge and squash put together?
Thanks, Naveen. Thank you everyone for turning up for the finals and for the other matches that you have been. It's really nice to see the numbers growing. Coolidge is basically a bloggers community where it's 80% college students who blog, and it's essentially we focus on the non-academic aspects of college life. We see that in India, a lot of people, lots of opportunities for entrance exams, lots of websites dedicated to IITs, CMATs and all of those tests. But no community or no site or product focuses on the passions of the college student, and this is one of those passions that we want to support. Squash, we've seen over the years, is growing, especially with the youngsters. I see in our own club, I see Samira is one of the best examples to say. 12 years old, and she's already won the championship. So we focus on the passions of the college student, and some of you ex-college students, maybe not many years ago, can relive your passions today. So that's one of the things we've done. I also want to thank squashchampions.com. I think over the last few years we've entered a number of tournaments, and they've been very, what should I say, ad hoc. Scores have been written on pieces of paper, on SMSs, on BlackBerry Messenger, and Naveen has kept all the scores and all the draws at most parts of the time. But I think Squash Champions, the ladder itself is a great start point, and what we've tried to do is make it really all automated. So all of you get to see your draws, all of you get to see the points, the schedules, and most of all, you get to read some of the commentary that our editorial team and Joseph's team puts together. So all in all, I think we've tried to do our bit in trying to promote this the sport, and we look forward to doing this for years to come. Thank you.
I'd like to ask, I saw that you came to watch this whole event. Whatever matches you watched, how did you see the matches, your level of interest in the game now, and with respect to Coolidge and squash?
I think this has been a great opportunity for Coolidge to be involved with the Squash Open and the sport of squash. As an editor, I got to update the microsite. We created a microsite just for the event, and I was in charge of updating it. I would like to thank Joseph and Prue for being supportive, for constantly updating us with the results. There was an opportunity to showcase the entire event live as it is going on, and this is the first time we did something like this, and we learned a lot, and this has been a great experience for us. Thank you so much.
So Nupur helped us with the masters, so we were irritating her all the time, and now she's been here and she's helped us through this also. So how do you like the event, and how did the organization and the entire way that it was conducted?
Thanks, Naveen. Firstly, thank you everyone for the support and for turning up for the event. It was really great. With squash, actually these two tournaments that we organized were my first, experience of watching squash matches, a live tournament, actually alive. And especially with these tournaments, it was so well organized. I was really amazed. From my side, I would like to especially thank Mr. Chubby. Oops, not Mr. Chubby, Mr. Ajit. Ms. Joseph, obviously, for helping us with all the updates. Mr. Naveen, you organize everything. Making Mr. Akash for helping us with all these things. Thanks a lot, guys, and we look forward to doing this year and year. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Coolidge, for being part of this event. A really big round of applause for Akash, who's seen this whole thing through. I'd like to
I don't know, yeah. It's a big list. So we got so much help. I mean, Ramegoda, the KBS staff. And over the years, last few years, we had so much tournaments over here, and we decided to have one more way differently done. I have to thank Joseph for doing, and his team. They all got together and did a phenomenal job. What am I missing? And thanks to all the volunteers, referees, and there's so many other guys who helped out. Mehta, thank you so much. Players for turning up. I mean, we were expecting about 12 teams at max to come in, and we had 17. So, the weekend was a little hectic, 9 to 9, but the tournament went on very well. And, I'm sure all the inboxes are full with Foo's emails. I mean, Foo, thanks a lot.
At this moment of time, I would like to call upon Mr. Prakash. Sir. Mr. Prakash is the donor for the event. We had a brilliant tournament and we had a very nice ladies event also. We had a good entry. We had how many about 10, 9. And we saw few people coming to play, which was very nice. And going forward, we would like to do more ladies tournaments and things like that. We hope that we get a lot more entries and we popularize the sport with both. We had a very nice ladies tournament and a very good finals match. I would like Rachel. Mr. Prakash will give away the trophy. Congratulations, Rachel. Thank you, Rachel. The winner of the ladies tournament, she's all of 12 years old. And she's 12 plus 1. A brilliant player, very, very good. Head on her shoulders. She played a very calm game. And I think a very deserving winner. The ladies winner, Samira. Guys, come and do what the Nupur, come, Nupur. Please, Nupur. So we're going to keep this up, keep it going. Bangalore is going to see winners all through. So it's going to be a good hard training session from now on for the next tournament. We wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you, Samira. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Samira. Request Akash, Mr. Ajit, and Mr. Velu to come on. And Mr. Sudhir, sir, please. Mr. Ajit, Velu. Mr. Ajit, could we have a few words from you? No. No. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We have a very nice 17 teams in all, 85 participants. I think it's a brilliant effort by KPA, by Joseph, by his team. And a very nicely done tournament, no hiccups, peaceful tournament. Say that peaceful tournament. Let's not get into all those. We had a very well contested final. I think two very deserving teams made it to the final. Very hard fought, seesawed all the way down to the wire. Finally, we had one winner, but then the other guys really fought hard. May I call upon the runners-up for the tournament, Team Namit Naik, Aditya Karyappa, Mr. Aditya Karyappa, Mr. Aditya Karyappa. Hey, Velu. Mr. Bhavani Rana, Bhavani Rana, Mr. Sunil Rao, Mr. Sunil Rao, Mr. Sunil Rao, Sunil. Mr. Partha Madhukar. Big round of applause, please. Hey, I'm very sorry. Okay, right. And the team, Ravi Pai is not here, and the team captain, Namit Naik. Sunil, I apologize.
Okay, can we have a team photograph? Are you all in front of the banner, please? Just the team players. Okay, can you move over a bit? Please give space for the team players. Okay.
A good captain, very able captain as we say.
Yeah, well, I have a long way to go, so looking forward to it.
But it's been good for you. You've had very tough matches to play. You had a very tough match against Prithvi. You had a very tough match against Marsh.
Match against Prithvi and all. Especially Prithvi.
But anyway, a brilliant comeback for you.
Experience. I had lots of Prithvi early good matches, like early grueling matches. Good fun.
Round of applause for Namit Naik. This time I won't do that. Very well done. I would like to call Ms. Mekhala to come and select from Mr. Sudhir. Thank you for every Mekhala. And we had an upcoming player. So I would request you to come on stage, Mr. Sudhir. Akash and the team had to go through all the matches and see who they felt was the upcoming player of the tournament and the most outstanding player of the tournament. First, the most upcoming player, women, Samira. I'd like Mr. Sudhir to give the trophy. Samira. Okay, she's left. Oh, yeah. Come and collect it. Come and collect it. Coach, as Samira's coach. Upcoming men, Anirudh Nambia. And I'd like Partha to hand the award for the most outstanding player for some brilliant matches that he played, Amit Naik. There's been a lucky day. I'd like Mr. Ajit to pull up the winning number. My number is 998562. Can you pull that up? Where is it? Thank you for supporting the student. The winner gets, whoever gets a racket from Dunlop.
Move the paper, please. Naveen, move the paper. Yeah, let me show you. Naveen, call my name. Okay. Hey, John Smith.
It's not my name. Mr. Shardul. Mr. Shardul. Okay, not there, not there. This is match fixing. Yes! Anirudh M 9742668325. Thank you, sir. And now, AOL team again on. AOL team, please. Yeah. AOL team, please. Akash. Winners of KBA team tournament. Team John Smith. This time I'm getting it right. Sumit Rao!
Stay there, Anu, stay there, stay there.
Pradeep Kumar.
Sit down in the middle, please.
Pradeep Kumar. Pradeep.
Let them finish.
And finally, John Smith. Well-deserving winner, Team John Smith. Big round of applause for him.
Can we have just the team in the middle, please? One of you move over. Okay. Look at me, please.
John, we want a word from you. Hello, John. What was the strategy behind not you and Pradeep not take the whole country tournament?
All cooling.
So, the organizers are going to return your 200 bucks. But anyway, very well played. I mean, it was a very well crafted victory. Very highly strategized, I must say. And Paral Computer has worked brilliantly, but very well done. And going ahead, what do you see? I mean, how would you like to? What would you like to tell squash players, upcoming squash players as well as squash players in the city?
Don't just want to get fit to play squash. Squash is just a ball game. It's not one of the court, it's from outside the court. Thank you.
Round of applause for Mr. John Smith. So here I would like to thank everyone who participated in this event, the organizers, KBA, AOL, Mr. Prakash, referees, awards from Muthu.
Even would especially like to thank all the organizers, and we have small tokens of appreciation and gratitude for all of them. So I would invite Aishwarya and Anand if they can join please to give out the trophies.
We are really lucky to have AOL and Dunlop as our sponsors, and I really would like to thank, for once we've got a company which actually backs squash, Dunlop has rackets and balls and things like that. So I would like to really go there and thank Dunlop for sponsoring this event.